Are you a GMC Yukon owner, one of the nearly 270,000 sold since 2015? Have you experienced issues with your brake lights, rear turn signals, or gotten the lamp out warning on your dashboard? At Speedometer Repair Guy, we are now servicing 2015, 2016, 2017, and 2018 GMC Yukon tail lights. The tail lights with their characteristic C-shaped light pattern. You send in your taillight assembly, we repair it and send it back. This is a repair service installed on your original taillight. We are currently offering a one-day turnaround for the repair. For example, we receive your taillight on a Monday, it ships out the very next day, fixed on Tuesday. Repair service is a fraction of the cost of replacement parts or dealership prices. Repair services for 2015, 2016, 2017, and 2018 GMC Yukon, Yukon XL, and the Yukon Denali. The rear taillight assembly is easily removable and reinstalled by oneself. You send in your taillight assembly. Our shop prides itself on our one-day turnaround, leaving your downtime to a minimum. Again, the repair service is a fraction of the cost of dealership pricing. Please give us a call at 507-429-4489. Contact and shipping information can be found in the video description below.